Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
No, sir.
Not able to see. Okay, let me. Yeah. So today's our workshop is it's like a pair programming with GitHub Copilot. Okay. Do the pair programming, AI pair programming with GitHub Copilot. Okay. This is our today's workshop. So as you know, okay, the AI is completely ruling the market in our application development. Also, it is like take a vital role or not. So here, the pair programming with GitHub Copilot. So most of the times, our code and everything where we are going to maintain in our one of the version control is like GitHub or not. So in the GitHub, they provided you like one feature. It's like a pair programmer. That guy is going to work with you, along with you. And if you ask anything, okay, while writing the code, okay, he is going to help you. So this person, this co-pilot, okay, GitHub people provided you as like a pair programmer while writing your code. So whenever you developed one application, that application obviously we are going to keep in one of the version control is like a GitHub. Most of the people are like using like a GitHub only or not. So in the GitHub only, they given like one feature to you. Okay, the Copilot. You can use that Copilot as like a pair programmer. Pair programmer. That means you and the Copilot both can do the work, both can do the work. Okay, so for that, if you want to use that feature, first of all, okay, you should have to subscribe, or you can use like a free trial version. So GitHub Copilot, this pair programmer is there now. They are going to use like different LMS, different LMS. Okay, Chat GPT is there, Gemini is there, something like this. Different LMS are there, right? Okay, you can choose any one of the pair programmer. My Copilot allow you. Okay, the pair programmer is like Chat GPT. The pair programmer is like a Gemini. The pair programmer is like something else. Any okay LMS you can use it. They provided like multiple LMSs to choose as like a pair programmer. Okay, for that purpose, first what you have to do, okay, you have to enable Copilot in your GitHub. Enable Copilot pilot in your GitHub. So how we can enable the Copilot? Okay, let's go to your GitHub repository first. Okay, GitHub account first. So you need to create a GitHub account. It's like a free account only. Simply you can create one account. GitHub.com account. Already you know this one. You already created. You already having this one, right? So GitHub.com. GitHub.com. Now I already having the account. So let me sign into that account. Let me sign in into the account. So I signed in. Now two-factor authentication also just enabled. Now let me add the code here. Uh, my code is like 2444019. 2444019 is my code. Yes. Okay. Now, once you log in into your GitHub account, once you log in into your GitHub account, now the dashboard or my landing pages looks like this or not. The landing page looks like this. Now, by seeing this landing page, how I can come to know like, did you enable the Copilot or not? How we can come to know means, see, there has a search bar is there. After the search bar, there has one icon is there. See that? Chart with Copilot, something like this. There has one icon is there or not? If you see this icon in your GitHub repository, you can understand like, yes, okay, my Copilot, my pair programmer, okay, is a Copilot pair programmer is like enabled in my okay, in my GitHub account. Like this, you can understand. Okay, it is not specific to repository. It is like account level, GitHub account. Okay, GitHub account. You can work with any project, no problem at all. Sometimes first time, okay, you may not see this one, this icon you may not see. Then that time, once you log in, you can go to this Copilot settings. You can go to this Copilot settings. So just you can, okay, enable it. You can enable it. It's like a trial version. It's like a free version. You can enable it. Okay, I already enabled. Okay, if you want to upgrade this one, you can upgrade it. Okay, if you not enable, just you can enable by seeing this GitHub Copilot settings is there, right? Okay, this is the first step you have to take care. Okay, go to the sign into the GitHub and click on your profile. Click on your profile and go to where your settings, Copilot settings. Okay, here you can see some GitHub Copilot related is there, right? Copilot. You can click on this. Okay, here code agent. Okay, this is like repository access. Okay, all repositories. You can enable Copilot code agent for all the users you want to. But this is something like restricted. If you have a subscription, that's okay. If not having the subscription free trial, okay, it is looks like this. Okay, repository access, all repositories. Okay, no repository, only selected repositories, something like this, you can control it. Okay, so anyone have the GitHub account which is not enabled the Copilot? Do you have GitHub account which is not enabled the Copilot? So that you can share your screen, we can make it like enable. Anyone having? Do you have GitHub account first, Shaker?
Yes, sir.
Did that Copilot is like enabled or not enabled?
I didn't see, sir, but I am joined in mobile, so I can't share my down.
Mahesh, do you have that account, GitHub account, or Priyanka? If you have a GitHub account, just log in so that we can make that Copilot is enabled. We can make that Copilot is enabled. Whenever the Copilot is like enabled, Mahesh, okay, you can log in. Whenever the Copilot is enabled, you can see this icon. You can see this icon. Yeah, Mahesh, I'm going to give you the host access so that you can, yeah, you are the host now. Just you can share your screen. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mahesh, are you sharing or not? Priyanka, you have account?
No, sir.
No.
Maybe yes, it's I, but I need to check.
Okay. GitHub account you can create. Okay, then you can try later. Okay, so let me plan the course. Sharing, huh? Okay, okay. Mesh, you can share. You are the host. Okay, let me stop sharing my screen. Yeah, go to GitHub. Go to github.com. Yeah. So in your GitHub, you are able to see that one, right? That icon. Okay, you just click on it. Support.github, not github.com. Can you? github.com. Yeah, github.com. Remaining all you can delete it. Just to log in like a normal user. github.com. Now already you have enabled it, right? That icon you are able to see. Okay, now if you click on the your icon, yeah, here you can see the Copilot settings, right? And you can go to the settings first of all. You can go to the settings. Yeah, settings. In the settings section, you can see, okay, there has Copilot related. There has a Copilot one is there, right? This is the, okay. If you enable, then the time you can see this Copilot here. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you are also having. If you not have, just you can enable the Copilot free version. That's okay. Fine. Okay. Let me take it again. The post actions. Okay. I will tell. Now, once you are able to see this, once you are able to see this, it is working or not working. Just if you want to check it, see here, open the Copilot. Just click on this icon. Just click on this icon. Okay, in the web also, you can use your Copilot. Okay, not only in the workspace, in the web also, you can work with the Copilot. Okay, now here, see, I said like the pair programmer, okay, is not only Chat GPT, there has multiple LMSs over there. Okay, there has, okay, these are like cost efficient. These are like not a free ones. It's commercial. Okay, GPT-5 and O3 Mini and Gemini 2.0 Flash. These all are like, okay, commercial. Okay, these all are like, okay, free versions. You can use it, no problem at all. These are like different LMSs over there. You can choose, okay, which one you trust, okay, which one you are thinking like, oh, this guy is like giving like accurate results, answers to me, something like this. Okay, you, if you think, just you can choose those. Okay, now here, okay, you can ask anything. If you observe here, okay, how I can help you, how I can help you, something like this. Okay, here you have to give the prompt or not. Here you have to give the prompt. Directly you can give the prompt. For example, okay, you can say like, explain a project with the tech stack. Explain a project with the tech stack. Okay, node with the GraphQL, and okay, React, React, comma, and the testing with the playwright, with the playwright. Okay, But if you observe this one, this is not the right prompt. Okay, it is a kind of weak prompt. It's a kind of weak prompt. So prompt, why it is like important means, if you ask more, you can get more. You have to give proper prompt. You have to ask proper question with some terminology. Then only my copilot can understand, give the relevant and accurate and some more related answers it can give. If you ask more relevant, more we ask, we can get more or not. So prompt message is important. If you don't know the prompt, first do one thing. Can you create a prompt to this particular requirement? So first what you can do is you can say create a prompt. Create a prompt. First create the prompt. Just to this particular text, just I want to create a prompt. Now see, you get like multiple prompts or not. Explain full stack project. This is one kind of prompt. If you want to give some more explained way, then the time this is also one kind of prompt or not. Now this prompt you can use here to ask the question. To ask the question. To ask the question. Now see this. You can see there has some answers. Something like full stack web application, Node.js with GraphQL plus Node.js, Node architecture backend. It's like Node.js server and GraphQL. Something like this, you can get it or not. Now you can see the basic schemas and resolvers. Schemas is nothing but type definitions. You can get it. My resolvers, you can get it. In the type definitions, query section is there and the mutation section is there or not. Like this, you can get some relevant stuff or not. Yes or understood everyone? So the Copilot you can use in the web also, in the GitHub, github.com Copilot. Here also you can ask the questions. But my thing is like, I want to work with my project, right? I want to work with my project. That's the reason my project inside one repository. My project inside one repository. Just I want to work with that repository. Work with that repository. Let me create one repository. Up to here, right? Up to here, okay? Up to here, okay?
Yes, sir.
That means in the web also you can use like a copilot. In the web also you can use like a copilot. Now, let me create one simple repository to work with that. So you can create the new repository. My repository is like Copilot, and you can go to the create repository. Add a README file. Just create the repository. Create the repository. Now this time, I want to work with a project. I want to work with a project. Now you can go to your VGS Code. You can go to your VS Code. Let's clone that project first. Let's clone that project. So how we can clone it? I have the cloned URL. Copy this one. Just clone in my desktop. Just clone in my desktop. So open command desktop. Let me go to the desktop. Just open the command prompt here. So open the command prompt. CD workshops. Here git clone. This is the one. Now let's go to our VS Code. Let me open folder and go to workshop desktop, go to the workshops, and here Copilot is the repository. Now just select that repository. Just select this repository. Okay, done. One second. Okay, done. Now we are using which editor. VS Code is the editor or not. You can use any editors. Okay, VS Code editor, IntelliJ editor, or Python, something like this. Now if you come here, you are in the Copilot, okay, repository. If you observe here, okay, download for, there has one option is there. Okay, now see here, my Copilot is like a free. Okay, here download for one option is there. Download for one option is there. Okay, now whenever you click on this one, now see VS Code and Visual Studio, Xcode, GetBrains, NeoVim, like this different to editors are there. Okay, you have to make it like this. Copilot is like free enabled in your machine, in your, okay, GitHub account. So if it is like a VS Code, download for VS Code. Now from here you can download. The next one is like, okay, directly you can go to the VS Code. See this. Okay, it is going to install this particular GitHub Copilot in your VS Code. In your VS Code. Now, one way is like this. Another way is, now you can go to your VS Code, and if you come here, now see there has an extension, sir. There has an extension, sir. Okay, one icon is there. If you click on this icon, there has multiple extensions you can see. There has two extensions you can add it. One is like GitHub Copilot. I already installed. Now see this. That the reason it's showing like what, uninstall or not. Already installed means, okay, you can see the option is like uninstall. Another one is like GitHub Copilot chart is there. GitHub Copilot chart is there. Okay, that is also you need to install. That is also you need to install. These two extensions you have to install in your, come on, these two extensions you have to install in your VS Code editor. Okay, now once you installed those two, extensions, okay, now observe here. If you say this in the GitHub, okay, now if you see this, yeah, whenever you click on this chart icon, okay, now you can observe here, okay, there has one more window opened. Okay, here you can ask the question. In this particular chart, see there has multiple options are there. One is like ask is there, another one is like edit is there, and another one is like agent is there. Ask is there, edit is there, and agent is there. Now ask means you ask the question, just he is going to give the answer, that's it. Edit is nothing but in your code they are going to edit. Okay, agent is nothing but he has the full command on your entire project. Okay, you can ask anything, he is going to give the answer which is related to project. Okay, based on these options, this guy is going to respond. Now I am in the ask mode. Okay, just I ask like, okay, first, okay, what you needed? I need a prompt first. I want to create the prompt first. Create a prompt. Create a prompt first. Okay, Now what create a project node with GraphQL or Python with GraphQL, React, GraphQL, React with the playwright automation tests. With the playwright automation tests. Okay, just I need a prompt first. I am in ask mode. Just I'm asking like a prompt. Okay, if I ask the prompt, he given something like this, right? That's okay, fine. Okay, if you want like a prompt, so okay, you can get it from here. Okay, there directly he given the project, right? That's okay. You can go to your github.com. You can go here. Okay, just here I'm asking like create a prompt. Okay, this is not the one. Can I go here? Okay, if you want to get the proper prompt, now can I copy this and you can go here and just I needed like create a prompt. Okay, here he given like some extra information. Okay, create a prompt, create a project. Okay. Just I need like a prompt message full stack project. Okay, this is the one, also can use it or not. Okay, this much prompt if I give, they are going to give like full detailed code. That's okay. Now say this road backend with some structure, they provided everything or not, what dependencies are required. Okay, start the backend code and everything. Yes, sir. Now here also same stuff, you can use proper prompt. Okay, here I said like create a project again, right? That the reason directly they created. Here is the proposed directory structure for Node.js with GraphQL and React app with the playwright tests. Okay, like this they created like one structure or not. Now this structure, if you want in the workspace, create workspace, one button is there now. Click on it, what happens? Okay, now the parent folder is Copilot. Okay, now select as a parent folder. Now, if you observe here in the Copilot, okay, my GraphQL React app, they created one application or not with the name of what? GraphQL React app. That project, now if you observe, okay, that project structure and everything I can see here or not? The project structure and everything I can see here or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here there has, okay, if you go to the version control, okay, these many files are like changed. If you want to commit, okay, you can commit those files. Okay, just you can add all. Okay, as all the changes, now just you can do commit and you can do the push. Okay, now if you come here, okay, now your code is where? Okay, in your Copilot repository. Your code should be there. Copilot, right? In your Copilot repository, okay, GitHub, okay, GraphQL React, this is the one or not? Okay, now you can go to the, okay, file, any file you can go. Okay, go to the source, okay, resolvers, schemas, and all these things is there, right? Okay, in the type definitions, okay, query and mutation is there in the type definitions. Now this time, okay, see here, type definitions already added. Add the context. Add the context. Okay, the context you can add the repository name directly. You can add it. Okay, you can add the files. You can add the files. Okay, here which file you opened. Okay, that file is visible here. Visible here. Now here, okay, I'm going to ask the question like save student mutation. Save student mutation. I want to add it. Okay, now see the save student mutation added or not. But you are in the which mode? You are in the which mode?
Ask mode.
Now you can go to the edit mode. Okay, whenever you go to the edit mode, okay, now add save student mutation. Mutation can add to the type definitions. Okay, now free tier quota exceeded. That's okay. Okay, well, because okay, it's like free trial we are using, right? So the free tier quota exceeded. Okay, but if it is not exceeded, then what happened? You know, that changes happen in this particular file directly. The changes happened in this particular file directly. Now, okay, once you okay added those files, just simply you can say like what you want to keep those files or undo those files, or you decide. You can keep or undo these files. Okay, now simply you can ask whenever you ask add which one? Save student, save student mutation query. Save student mutation query. Okay, now see this, the entire code is there, right? Save student mutation query. Okay, now this time they given like what something. Okay, student to Yezu. Okay, something like this. Just you can copy this one. Okay, you can paste here or not. I save student mutation. Okay, my edit mode. Okay, I used my quota. That the reason. Okay, in the edit mode, if you do, okay, no copy paste directly those changes made where in that file itself or not. Understood? Ask and edit difference. The next one is what? Agent mode. Agent mode. Agent knows everything. Agent knows, okay, total project. Total project. Okay. If you ask, okay, explain, okay, agent mode. Okay, if you write some code in the agent mode, if you ask, okay, what is this code? Okay, means they are going to explain about backend. Okay, here the context is like only type definitions, right? So can we add that context? Have any files or repository? To the agent mode, just we can add the context so that so add context, source control, context, so that add context, source control. Can we add our repository? Where is my repository? Add my repository URL. Copilot is the one. Here, copy this. Okay, na? Go to this add context. Go to source control. Now I have this. Okay, can I add it? Okay, source control, add context to source control. Okay, this is the one. Okay, now this commit is like added, right? The latest commit. Now can you ask about, okay, explain about backend code. Now see, in the backend, whatever you written, okay, you get like some more information or not. My backend package.json, what it contains, index.js, what it contains, my type definitions, what it contains, my index dot in the resolver section, index.js, what it contains, everything it's like explained or not. Yes or no? Okay, agent have the idea on everything. Okay, so whatever the code you written, if you want to know, if you want to ask him to explain, okay, in the agent mode you can ask, okay, explain about, okay, tests, explain about tests, upgrade to your GitHub repository. Okay, it's like a free trial. Okay, okay, so that you need to, okay, subscribe it. That's okay, fine. You need to subscribe it. We don't have, okay, subscription. That's okay, fine. Okay, like this you can get all the information, okay, about your project or not. If you don't know about the code also, just you can ask them. They are going to explain to you or not. This is the way you can use ask, edit to, and agent. Ask means simple. You ask a question, they give an answer. That's it. Okay. Edit means you ask a question. Okay. Those are like those changes you made based on your context. Which files are opened in that files? Okay. Those changes they made by default. The next one is like agent means you can give your repository context. Okay, so that in the repository, whatever the questions you have, you can ask the questions. You can ask him to explain the code and everything. They are going to explain or not. Understood? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this, just you can try from your end. Okay. Any questions, anyone?
Sir, the same process we can do in office also, na? Normally, if we have a.
Yeah, you if you have a subscription, okay. Yeah, in your office version control using GitHub only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe they taking like subscription, so you can use all the features, right?
So, in agent mode, we can give our repository, right? If any issues, it will become, or it's a
No,
security
no,
only.
no, no, no. Okay, why? Because okay, in your office, the GitHub, okay, code is like secure, right? Already, you are working with this GitHub repository only, right? Already GitHub, the code in the GitHub means already that's like secure. They already provided.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Say in your office, okay, you are working for one project. That repository I'm not able to access outside, right? Yes or no? In your office only you can access or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that okay, my repository in the GitHub means that is already secure.
Okay, sir. Sir, instead of repository, we can give folders also, na?
Folders also you can give the commits and everything. Okay, most of the times agent we are going to use like top level.
Okay.
Okay, instead in the see if you give the repository, okay, you can mention the folder names, right? That is easy for us or not.
Okay, sir. Got it. Sir, one more thing. Nowadays, that GitHub Copilot certification, it will be coming, right? So, these knowledge, we can write that exam, huh?
GitHub, that certification is not that much important. Okay, but okay, they are looking for okay, how to use effectively and prompt messages, all these things. I guess. Okay, I'm not sure about that one, 100%.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I can get some information and get back to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, see, everything is like certification is nothing, but you are like a become like a proficient how to use it. That's it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Normally, nowadays, I can see in LinkedIn also so many people will be displaying that message, sir. That's why I'm not
Yeah, that is like okay, their own. Okay, they hear the GitHub people not okay, Copilot certification. That kind of stuff is not officially there, I guess. Okay, I didn't heard. Okay,
okay, sir.
the people are like who is like teaching those people tell like okay, GitHub Copilot certification. For example, our institute is there React certification. What is there?
Yeah.
I like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, then just you can try. Okay, we can explore some more things later.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.